Hi, my name is Joe Wester and I'm the metal fabrication instructor here at the Tech College, and it's Tech Tuesday. So here we have an overview of our program. It breaks into 4 primary categories. We've got designing, metal forming, welding, and metal finishing. We'll kind of walk you through a few phases of each of these categories on a little project. So for our sample project today, we'll show you the design element of it. This project has been drawn up in the computer. We used a combination of AutoCAD and PlasmaCam. We've now made a cut path and we're ready to CNC plasma cut it. So now that we have our CNC cut pieces, we're going to go through some basic forming operations with the press brake and make our parts into the desired shape. So now that we have our formed parts, we're going to assemble it using kind of a tab and slot technique, which will give us these 3 different planes, and then we'll use the TIG welder and we'll just TIG weld up the tabs on the bottom and roll them. So we're going to use TIG welding or gas metal arc welding or gas tungsten arc welding to put a little bit of weld on these tabs so it won't fall apart, and then we are all finished up. So we've got our little project here, and you can kind of see how it would follow the sequence of the curriculum here. We designed it in the computer, we dimensioned it, we cut it out on the CNC plasma table, then we formed it using the press brake. We welded it together using gas tungsten arc welding, and for our finishing process, if we wanted to paint this or powder coat it, we would then do so. I think it looks pretty good, just raw aluminum, but that kind of gives you a quick encapsulation of what we do here in Metal-Fab.